Gumana na ba siya?
Dito sa PC.
Ayan, you're live.
Yup. So, ayun. Antayin na lang natin. Hello. Ayun.
Good evening, guys. May
mga nanonood na ba?
ano ba?
Di ba nakikita mo? Makikita mo dun sa view. May mata. Tama ba?
Oo nga, kita pala. Okay, mga 3.
Kita mo? Ako hindi ko kita
Okay lang, sige. Start na tayo. Habol-habol na lang yung mga viewers, no? Or baka share lang muna natin sa sa mga GCs natin. Good evening, guys. Kumain na ba kayo? Type nyo sa chat box ano ulam nyo. Kakain ko lang din mga bihon. Ikaw, Jimmie, nag-dinner ka na ba?
Kumain na ako.
Ayos. Anong dinner mo?
Dinner ko ay palabok and chicken.
Sarap ah. Saan galing?
Jollibee.
Wow, Jollibee.
Oh,
andyan let's see Ma'am Eros. Long time no see, no? Thanks for joining us. So lang, kung may mga chart request kayo, just feel free to type it in the comment section. So, start na tayo. So, same as always, no? Review lang tayo ng PSEI. Tingnan natin kung may mga pwedeng i-trade. Ayan, si Ma'am Eros shawarma dinner daw with matcha. Sarap.
Uy, sarap ng matcha.
Oo Sige, game. Wait, si Paul. Yung may accountability group kayo tonight.
Hoy, Paul. Focus ka dun sa kabila.
Focus ka dyan. But,
secret play.
Thanks for dropping by, no, to say hi. So, review lang tayo, no? So, let's look at the index first. So, as always, dito naman tayo nagsastart palagi ng session. Trying to click the weekly lang muna. Medyo matagal mag-load, no? Pangat yata yung internet connection.
Good evening, Sir Keister. Mabuti naman. Kumusta ka?
Matik naglalag. Let's look at the weekly. Yan. So, kitang-kita na if you look at the weekly, nag-resist yung index natin currently. So, let's see kung saan siya mag-support. Kaya pag tinignan yung mga galaw kanina, no, parang wala masyado. Parang si Ever lang yata yung may malakas na galaw, pero honestly, mahirap din siyang i-take na trade for me. So, parang if you plot it body to body, no? Saktong-sakto yung resistance dito at this level. No, kitang-kita. Dito sa mga 7,300 levels. Let's look at the daily. So, doon nga siya nauntog. Currently, it's looking for support. Bago, let's see, no, kung saan siya mag-find ng support. Dito siya nag-resist. Gawin natin red para to indicate selling pressure. Yan. So, let's see, no, kung saan siya magsusupport. Yung EMA 9, hindi siya na... Saka, pag tinignan mo sa daily, sobrang sakto ng confluence di ba? If you look at it, untog nga siya sa parallel resistance. At the same time, RSI 70, untog. So, let's see, it's looking for support. Potentially, nakita kong catch zone can be somewhere dito sa area na to, no?
Previous backstop?
Yung backstop dito. Di ba?
Or yung MA20.
Sakto di ba? Nandiyan yung backstop area. Tapos sakto, nandyan din yung MA20, no? So if you look at it, yan, gawin natin green. So let's see kung mag-support dyan yung index. And then let's see kung tumalbog. Yan, di ba? So role reversal lang. What previously resisted, let's see kung biglang mag-act as support. Yan. At the same time, let's see kung saan umabot no in terms of RSI. But as long as it's holding above RSI 50, baka it's going to form a sustainable uptrend. Ang maganda rin kasi dito is pag tinignan mo yung MA, so nag-align na yung 20, 50, and 100. So looks to be forming a more stable uptrend move. But let's see. Yun, based on the MAs, based on the RSI, as long as mag-hold siya here above RSI 50, let's see kung anong move yung gagawin niya. And kung magawa niyang solid trail yung MA20. Pero looking at its DNA kasi medyo nilalagpasan niya yung MA20. Diba? But let's see. Kasi may confluences ngayon with parallel supports. Ikaw, Jimmie, may add ka ba dito?
Wala naman. I think you covered it all naman.
Pero yun, given na ganito ngayon move ng index, so syempre ingat-ingat din tayo sa mga plays kasi normally naman how the index moves, may influence din yun sa mga stocks, di ba? Kung paano sila gumalaw. So given na medyo nagpo-pullback moves tong si index, makita mo rin na babalik yun mga bull traps, saka mga pati mga stocks nagpo-pullback. No? So take that into account when doing your trades. Now, review lang natin yung mga na nag-manifest from last week na trade discussion. One of it was Monday. So, sabi yata namin last week, catch near itong area na to, no? 14.7 to 15.
Mm-hmm.
So, the catch zones were somewhere here. May natin green. At the same time, somewhere near mga 15 area. Or 15 to 20. Ito, itong gap. Although, hindi siya pinaabot sa gap eh. Medyo nag-react na sometime sooner. No? But malapit. Doon yung nag-react.
Near 15.
Oo. At the same time kasi nagka-RSI 30 na support din. So may confluence dito. Diba? Dito siya nag-bounce doon sa gap na nandito. So the gap supported. Tapos may rin, RSI 30 na support. So congrats sa mga nakasalo, no? Malaki-laki din yung bigayan nito, mga 10%. It's quite good. Currently, na mukhang nag-resist. Tingnan natin kung saan nag-resist. Baka lang to Fibonacci resistance, no? So, normally pag bounce place, we look at the Fibonacci zones. So, medyo dito sa RFib na 23.6 nag-resist. So, dead cat bounce. Tapos, sakto rin siya dito sa parallel level na here. Apart from this, BSC nag-manifest din from last week. Anong ko diniscuss natin?
Buy on breakout.
Buy on breakout. So we gave 2 ideas on this last week. Yung sabi namin was, pwedeng buy near the support kasi ito yung Monday candle So sabi namin pwede pag nag-retest siya dito, pwede rin kapag breakout. Tapos syempre, pag tinignan natin, maganda rin yung support ng RSI on RSI 50. Ito kasi yung mga significant zones natin sa RSI, RSI 30, RSI 50, RSI 70. So those areas can act as supports and resistances. Tapos pag tinignan natin, actually nag-TP lang siya dun sa DBTP area, no.
Mm-hmm.
So nagkaroon ng selling talaga dito.
Left side. Ayun, kumpulan naman
tama dito rin, no. Saka yung RSI, hindi rin hindi rin nakatagos masyado sa RSI 70, no. So malaki din bigayan nito parang 12% or more. Malaki pala.
15 to 20 yan.
20%. So this was one of the easier plays kasi gusto natin sa breakout na to, it's confluence of breakouts. So nabasag niya yung box resistance, nabasag niya rin yung MA100. Tapos take profit. So sa mga nakasalo niyan, congrats. Ano yung mga Jimmie? May mga request ba dyan?
May request dito si Ma'am Eros, merong request si Ma'am Eros, no? Si Ma'am Eros, Bloom and BDO.
Bloom and BDO.
Bloom, I think
Basta yun, advice is medyo ingat-ingat. So Bloom, if you
MA100.
take a look at it, ano siya eh, medyo trying
Trying
to
to reverse.
trying to reverse, but on the bigger picture, it's a sideways move, no? So parang ito yung box nito. Tapos ito rin yung isang consolidation. Diba? So parang nagsa-sideways move lang siya. So ito naman.
Pero pag tinignan mo actually, yung ginawa niya is retest of MA100. Tapos nag-breakout siya. Tapos ni-retest ulit yung breakoutan niya na area.
Ito, no? So parang pag tinignan mo kasi ito, pero mahirap kasi yung MA100 breakout niya, eh, no? If you actually look at it. Kaya lagpasan niya, tapos magkakaroon ng rejection.
Oo. Pero yung ngayon, yun yung first successful niya, then ni-retest niya. So, supposedly, kung nandyan ka sa area ng MA100, pwedeng test buy. Yun nga lang, hindi siya mabilis na aakyat since marami siyang kalaban sa left.
Saka pag tinignan mo yung mga breakouts niya, binabalik niya sa box eh. Like ito. Diba? But let's see, no, kung anong gagawin niya dito sa consolidation na to. Pero yun lang, if you look at Bloom lang kasi, mahirap siyang trade for me kasi if you look at it, marami siyang resistances na kailangan i-overcome. Like ito, posibleng mag-resist yan. Itong level din, di ba? Tapos itong mga levels na to naman. Yung mga pinag-untugan niya dati, may selling pressure dyan. At the same time, pag tinignan mo kasi from here, juicy ba yung reward? Well, pwede na, di ba? Pero may hirap eh, di ba? Parang looking at here from here to here, mga 3%. Tapos dito, parang every 3%, meron kang may encounter na resistance. So don't expect sharp move up unless may
RSI 70 siguro. Unless mag-touch ng RSI 70, biglang kaboom.
If you notice the move din na ginagawa niya, parang itong micro consolidation na to mag-break out, tapos pull back, tapos break out, tapos pull back. Diba? So parang choppy nung move. It's a bit harder to trade. So ako personally, I wouldn't trade it. Ano pa? Pero up to you. Based on the structure lang, maraming resistances. BDO, alam ko maganda yung mga moves niya past few weeks eh. Following yung mga banking sector, no? So actually, BDO looks nice. Kasi multi-year high breakout, no? So it broke out from this key level. Ang price level ba to? 117, di ba? So parang ito yung magandang entry point. Pero currently, it found resistance here. So nag-resist siya dito sa gap na to. Di ba? So it resisted in this gap. And then it's currently doing a consolidation, no? Pero apart from that, kasi ito na yung next resistance ulit. Tapos itong gap na naman. So just be careful dun sa mga resistances to the left side for BDO. Yan. Currently, it's doing a consolidation eh. Pero let's see no kung mag-hold tong support area na to. Currently naman looks to be holding. So if you're looking at BDO, pwede sigurong buy near support area or kung i-retrace niya up until the MA20, no? Possible. So one scenario is it retraces the box bottom here, 126, or it does a deeper retracement here sa 122. At the same time, pag nag-retrace siya dito sa 122, tingnan natin kung anong gagawin niya sa RSI 50. Diba? Tapos, apart from that, pwede ka sigurong bumili na lang dito sa breakout. Pero, take note na may gap resistance here sa area na to. And then, ito na yung next na take profit area mo. And then, pag pinlat mo yung Darvas na take profit zones, also try to watch out for itong levels, no? 139, 143. Taking a look at the breakout na reward, medyo maliit, no? So, mga less than 10%, tapos medyo maraming resistances for the box breakout. But kayo, maybe better for this to try to catch swing low na position para mag-tranche just to have a better upside lang din siguro on this. Ikaw, Jimmie, tingin mo dito?
Pagka ang maraming resistance sa left side, mas maganda kung makaposition ka ng swing entry.
Yung nga
So,
yung tingin ko
support
rin eh.
entry. Tapos
Otherwise
ang
kasi,
possible challenge din yan if kapag
mm,
binalikan niyo yung backstop is the RSI 70. Kung masusustain ba.
mm,
So, ayun. Pwede naman buy on breakout ulit din eh. Tapos yun nga lang. Adjust mo lang yung VAR mo.
mm.
Mhm.
Pero
But
yun
ayun.
lang, you have to take into account then, is the juice worth the squeeze? Kasi like every ilan percent may possible resistances. So, yun lang. Ano pa, Jimmy?
Ano pa ba yung request? Teka, biglang dumami ah. Bloom, BDO,
Yung video
Home.
tapos na. Home. Ano ba ginagawa ni Home? Home kasi inaantay ko is the all-time high breakout sana eh. Pero let's see kung ano na yung ginagawa niya ngayon. No? Home. Yan. So, itong si Home, currently, nagko-consolidate. Ito yung galaw niya. Pero parang di niya ma-overcome yung midpoint area. Trying to support near the MA20 pero be careful lang din in using this trail kasi historically nilalagpasan niya lang. If you look to the left side, ito na yung all-time high niya rin kasi malapit na. 11.8 no. And then based on the body, yan 11.63. Pero currently around this area siya nag-resist no dito sa gap. So, yun yung kailangan niyang i-overcome. Ito si Home medyo illiquid din eh. So, baka better to catch it near support areas. Currently naman, based on the body, may mga supports naman here. Diba? So, you can try to catch this area. So, yung entry levels niya can be near mga 9.6 to 10 tong area. Pero careful lang kasi very weaky lang din to, no? Marami mga sell downs pababa. So, ingat doon. Pwede rin kasi so may support, buy on support idea, tapos may buy on breakout. So, buy on support, MA20, box bottom. Pwede rin buy on breakout sa midpoint and backstop. Ginagawa mo, Jimmie.
Ito,
Tinatype
type
mo.
nung
Yung
yung
ideas para makita natin next week. Pero yun yun lang tingin ko dito eh. Although baka easier trade might be the breakout lang din from here. Pero take into account nyo rin na syempre the all-time high, that's a very significant resistance area. So you have to watch out rin na pwede mag-resist pero pwede rin tumuloy. Syempre pag tumuloy, maganda yung bigayan yan usually. So yun. In terms of doing a swing trade, can also do a tranche siguro. So, yun yung trade ideas here. Buy near this area or maybe buy near the midpoint. But sa midpoint kasi medyo nag-weak, no? Tsaka nag-resist. So, maybe maganda mag-wait for end of day rin if you plan to do a breakout trade. Para hindi ma-bull trap. Either that or just buy the breakout from here, mga 11. And then tingnan natin kung bigyan tayo ng returns ng market. But yeah, yun lang yung trade sa Home. Ito yung mga key levels na gusto natin tingnan. Magsusupport ba to? And mababreakout ba tong area na to? Lalo na to. So yun. Apart from Home, ano pa ba? Ay, nakamute ka, Jimmie.
LTG daw.
LTG. Actually, LTG, medyo similar yung structure sa BSE na nakikita ko. So, if you look at LTG, no, ito yung consolidation niya based on the week. Pero syempre, yung resistance niya based on the body is this one, 10.4. Ito, based on the body. So, itong si LTG, pwede rin kasi siya similar to BSC, no? Yung setup niya is just a box breakout and an MA100 breakout if successful. In addition, maganda kasi sa ginagawa ni LTG is nag-i-inverse head and shoulders pattern, which is a bullish pattern, no? So, ito yung shoulder, ito yung head, and then ito yung isa pang shoulder. So, let's see kung kaya niyang basagin yun and umakyat. Potential resistance area, pwedeng ito, but the bigger upside na titignan natin would be ito. But you have to temper your expectations kasi syempre, hindi man lahat happy-happy. Minsan, baka dito mag-resist na, di ba? But offhand, ito yung bigger upside na tinitignan natin, no? Kasi yung previous consolidation was around this area. Diba? So, syempre, kung umabot dyan, maganda yung mga returns na makukuha natin. Even if you buy the MA100, roughly that's a 20%, no? Or even if you be more conservative and take profit near this week bottom, still a 15%. Assuming it manifests, of course. So, always exercise proper risk management na lang in terms of position sizing and also in setting your percentage cut loss. But currently, the structure looks good, no? Parang actually yung daming inverse head and shoulders pattern na ginawa rin ito, Jimmie. Diba? Parang ito yung bigger inverse head and shoulders. Ito yung smaller move na ginawa niya. So let's see. Currently, medyo wiki and maraming bull trap dito sa area na to, no? So, parang matigas talaga tong 10.4 to 10.5. But let's see kung anong gagawin niya pa. So, yun si LTG. Looks promising kapag nag-breakout. Ano pa next? EMP daw. Si EMP parang lang eh. EMP parang hindi gumagalaw eh, no, GB?
Hindi ko alam, nag-stuck siya doon. Ang liit-liit ng konso eh.
Parang nag-hang, no?
Hindi mo alam anong gusto gawin.
Pero actually, if you look at it, parang nagkakaroon ng slow weakening yung move niya eh, no?
In terms of RSI, oo.
And sa box, kasi if you look at the box consolidation, parang nauuntog na siya sa midpoint. So it's consolidating na below the midpoint. At the same time, yung MA20 saka MA9, hindi niya na rin sinusupport. Parang slowly it's breaking down from the trail. But ako, as long as buhay pa naman yung box, baka pwede pa. But tama rin sabi ni Jimmie eh, if you look at the RSI kasi, di ba? Parang pahina ng pahina. So, careful na lang then when you plan to trade this. Yun lang. Parang slowly humihina. Saka mahirap kasi sa mga ganitong consolidation, you don't know how long it will consolidate din eh. Plus, you don't know kung
mag-breakout
siya.
Yung entry niya dyan eh. Pero cut ka lang agad din kapag nasira yung box.
Oo, yun lang.
Tagal na niyang nag-sideways eh. Parang ano ba talaga?
Diba? Ilan candles na ba to? Check nga natin. Yan, diba? So if you check it, diba? Almost a month na siyang sideways sa area na to. So medyo mahirap din to trade these kinds of setups na hindi mo alam kung how long you'll be holding it. So mas maganda i-trade yung mga gumagalaw-galaw. But you can keep this in the watch list naman. Siguro pag nabasag niya tong box na to, it's a potential multi-year high. But you don't know lang when. And possible din na hindi siya mag-breakout but mag-breakdown instead. Yeah, personally, based on the indicators though, medyo nagkakaroon ng weakening. Si Monde, ano ba galaw na ito?
Maganda yung galaw ni Monde.
Monde okay naman eh. Pwede kasi siya mag-ladderized setup. Diba? So currently, ginagawa niya nga is nauntog siya sa Fib 23.6. Pero tinitingnan pa natin kung tutuloy ba siya or untog na. Check nga natin. So, currently, ito yung box consolidation kasi na ginagawa niya, di ba? It found support here, but nag-resist here. So, yung mga scenarios kasi dito sa Monde na nakikita ko, pwede siya mag-consolidate, and ideally, dito siya mag-consolidate above the midpoint, no? Para at least may konting signs of strength. And then potential trigger can be the breakout. Kasi yung next area of significance nito for me, pwedeng dito sa next Fibonacci area eh. Pwede siya mag-ladderize. So, buy near the midpoint pwede. Mga 16 pesos. And then, sell near this Fib 38.2. Or dun sa MA20, no? Might act as resistance. Ikaw, Jimmy, ano pa nakita mo dito kay
Pwedeng,
Monde?
ano yan eh, dalawa scenario. Sabi mo nga, midpoint, di ba? Pwede rin mag-double bottom bago
Pwede rin.
mag-recover.
So, can buy near the 15 pesos area.
Mas madali sana yun kung double bottom, di ba?
Actually, mas maganda nga and for me, better yung risk management pag
Double bottom.
dito sa double bottom.
Kasi dyan, kunyari sa midpoint, di ba? Paano kung nag-overshoot na ng konti? Cut ka.
Oo nga eh. Tsaka, it's mga mabigat din, no? Mga 5-6% to the box bottom, no? So, pwede, this is an easier entry. But just be careful of this area as a resistance siguro. Go, Jimmy.
Hindi, yun nga. Parang kung magbabay ka sa midpoint, baka ma-whip ka or something. Pwede naman, di mag-tranche ka nung saktong value at risk lang. Na hanggang break ng box bottom, tsaka mo siya itatapon.
Delix lang din kasi itong area na to if you look at it. Parang
Tama.
maraming price action dito sa area na to. 17.5. And then may confluences of MA, Darvas box take profit point, plus itong mga key levels na to. So just be careful of this area in terms of selling. In terms of buying, yun nga. Pwedeng midpoint here, 16 or 15. So yun. Ano pa? Yung si Monde. Pero mahirap lang din kasi dito kay Monde is versus the other movements. Di niya kasi na-sustain tong all-time high dito ako nasasayangan eh. Ito kasi yung previous all-time high na bin-break out. Diba? Tapos if you look at it, binasag niya and it went as far as almost the low na itong swing na to. So baka a bit slower yung move but let's see. Ano pa ba?
Sunod ng Monday ay CNTF.
CNTF. Tama yung sabi niya sa Monday, ni Sir Cholo. Nag-reset sa RSI 30. Tapos nag-correction. So let's see kung paano siya gumalaw. CNPF, nag-react dito sa MA100 area. If we look at structures, ano ba yung weekly neto? Check na natin kung may better picture. So yun, no? Ito ka pa, Jimmie. Puyat pa sa crypto.
Kulang pa yung kape.
Kulang ng kape. So ito, it reacted sa MA20 sa weekly. Sa daily, it reacted sa MA100. Diba? So, pag ginawa natin tong malaking to as a range, currently, na-overcome niya naman yung midpoint area na to. Pati RSI 50 yata eh. Yeah. CNPF, alam ko, all-time high na to eh, diba?
Alam ko all-time high yan. Teka.
Pa-check naman, no? So, CNPF, it's an all-time high play. At the same time, pag pinlat mo yung lower highs, medyo na-overcome niya na rin, Easier for me can be...
all-time high na yan.
Pwedeng buy near... One idea is to buy near the breakout na lang. So, blue skies yun, walang resistance na after. Na, at least walang price action resistances to the left side. Pwedeng buy near 29 to 29.6. Pero pa-check nga, Jimmie, kamusta ba yung liquidity nito?
Meron naman. 48 million today.
Okay, meron naman. So ito, can be a buy on breakout. Pwede rin buy near the midpoint levels, no? Pero medyo difficult thing lang kasi about CNTF currently for me is tuloy-tuloy na kasi yung akyat niya rin from the bottom. So it's already done around 11% na gain, no? So let's see kung kaya niyang i-sustain or baka mauntog lang kasi din dito. So it's something you have to watch out for. Yung mga upcoming potential resistance niya is itong 28 saka itong box stop na 29. So baka mauntog mo na siya here, retrace dito sa midpoint, let's see if mag-support. And then let's see kung mag-retest siya nito, no? And then break out. So mahirap lang kasi to buy within the consolidations, no? Kasi ang daming kailangan i-overcome na resistances to the left. So you'll have to take these two into account if you plan to trade it. And then yun, set your stops. Pero easier for me to just buy the breakout here. If not, these are your key levels, the midpoint, kung mag-hold. Or yun nga, same as yung kanina kay Monde, yung box bottom. Diba? Pwede kasi retest eh. Retest of this or retest of the box bottom. Tingnan natin kung mag-support tong RSI 50 before it goes up again. Pwede rin to inverse head and shoulders, no? So ito yung left shoulder, ito yung head. Pwede mauntog dito, tapos mag-retest here sa midpoint to create a right shoulder bago lumipad. So those are the potential movements and scenarios. So ako, since run up na to, maybe wait for a resistance na reaction either here or here. Wait for the retracement. Maybe this can be a potential catch zone or a potential breakout buy. So yun si CNPF. And then, pa ba? CNPF.
G.
Ayun, si
JFC.
Ma'am
BC
Rosario.
and AE.
Dami. Pero okay lang. Sige, tingnan natin yung mga yan. Pero mga blue chips, no? Tapos biglang may BC. Sige. JFC, no? Tama ba?
AG.
Ay, hindi pala. AG pala. Kala ko JFC.
AG muna.
Meron
sige.
pala.
Meron din
Okay
naman.
lang. If you look at JFC, actually, okay yung ginagawa niya, no? Kasi itong si JFC, nag-multi-year high breakout to eh. Kaya lang nauntog lang sa RSI 70, no? So what it did was, it broke out from this level. Diba? Tapos, nagkaroon ng resistances here. Ano ba to? Alam ko may key level tong tinamaan to the left eh. Hindi natin mag-load. Wait lang si Marga. Saka si Melbs. Hi guys, good evening. Yung mga
Ever po.
classmates. Yung mga classmates natin yan sa sa masterclass. So, looking at it, hindi nagpapakita. Bagal yata ng internet ko. Alam ko untog to eh, to the left.
JFC.
Oo.
Sa weekly, merong may parallel na. May inuntog. Wow.
Anyway, alam ko yan nag-load na finally. Ito, if you look at it, no? Ayan. So, if you look at JFC, dito siya nagkaroon ng price reaction. Itong area na to. So, untog muna siya. So, if we review its moves, no? So, multi-year high breakout, tumama sa resistance, nag-rebound sa EMA 9 and the gap. Tapos currently, it's doing a nice consolidation above the midpoint na itong box. Ano ba? Ayan, medyo above the midpoint. Tapos yung EMA 9 niya nag-hold. So, pwede kasi gawin itong si JFC is, let's see kung mag-hold tong EMA 9 level and itong key area na to. So, mga 224. Let's see if it supports. And then, let's see kung saan siya mag-resist. No? Kasi, even if we just look at it dito sa key levels na to, where it's supporting, 224 up until the box stop, mga 4%. And then, let's look at the gains kasi to the take profit zones. So, yung price levels niya would be itong 243.2 tsaka itong 250, no? So, looking at it to the left, ito rin yung next key area niya 260. Pero take note na may gap din dito na baka mag-fail. So, if you look at it, no, may confluence tong gap na to with this take profit area, mga 243 to 246. So, try to check the price reactions here and also this level, mga 250 at saka to 260. better to catch it here. Let's see kung mag-support tong area na to, mga 224. Pero manipis eh. So yung mga catch zones naman nito, it can be here sa EMA9 area, 224, or the box bottom. Kasi may MA20 tayo here. So tignan nyo na lang, either by the supports or just by the breakout sa resistance. AG naman, AG, bigyan naman na ito. AG kasi sa big sideways eh. Kaya medyo mas mahirap i-trade. Better siguro dito kapag mag-breakout na lang siya dito sa consolidation. Kasi otherwise, choppy moves lang siya eh. Pag tinignan natin, ayan, to the left, tingnan nga natin kung may resistances. Yan. So parang if you zoom out,
lang.
diba? Pero may dito eh, key levels pa rin kasi here. So baka hindi rin mag-smooth move upward. Pero yung confluence niya, yung take profit area na to, nagko-coincide with the key levels here, no? So basta try to look to the left side. Parang medyo careful lang din dito kay AGI. Maraming mga harang even if it breaks out. Pero let's see, kung mag-breakout kasi to kasabay yun RSI 70, baka magkaroon ng momentum move upwards eh. But ito yung mukhang significant resistance area, mga 12.7 to 13 siguro. So yun, that's it for AGI. But while it's moving kasi ng ganitong sideways, baka try to be patient muna kasi tinan mo yung move na to, parang ang tagal niya nang nagko-consolidate in this area. And you don't want to be stuck in a consolidation kasi baka you don't know how long it'll last eh. Or how long you'll wait before it will break out. Diba? Or yun nga, pag swing trader ka, you can just try to catch the supports, no? Either the box bottom or the midpoint, and then try to sell at resistance. So just play the range. But currently, for me, it's easier to just buy pag nakalagpas na siya sa breakout. Yung si Aji, BC tapos AP. BC, ito maganda yata to eh. Ayan no. So, parang nakita ko nga to a few days ago. Pero the thing about this kasi is it looks a bit illiquid for me. Pero clean breakout lang. Tapos gumagalaw. Although malapit na kasi mag-take profit eh. So yung ko dito is ideally nakasalo ka here. And if you're looking for sell areas, pwede nyo tignan tong around 6.6 or itong 7.4. Pero kung wala pang position, maybe try to temper your expectations no? Kasi malaki na yung inakyat. Alam niyo naman na yung mga mabilis umakyat, mabilis din bumagsak eh. So medyo na to for me. Avoid na to for me if you're just looking for positions pa lang. Si naman, AP. Si AP medyo gusto ko pa yung itsura niya eh. Pero kanina nagre-retest ng support. So if you look at this, ito siya. Currently, ako parang nagsusupport dito sa area na to eh. No? This previous resistance might have turned into support. Mga 31.6 to 31.7. Pero let's see. Kasi currently, ang pangit naman dito is hindi niya na-sustain yung above the midpoint. Maganda sana kung mag-hold siya above 32 eh. But, rineject. Ngayon, we want to see kung anong gawin niya sa levels na to. Hopefully, magstay siya here and above the midpoint. Pero kung dito lang kasi ibagsak niya, we don't know how far low yung retracement eh. Pwedeng catch zone niya is near the box bottom saka MA50. Ito yung next safer area. Ikaw ba, Jimmie? Tingnan mo dito. Ako ito yung safer buy. The box bottom to the MA50. Mas conservative. Or kapag nasustain niya tong midpoint. Kasi if you look at it, yung midpoint matigas talaga eh, di ba? Parang dami niya ng times din na rinetest yung midpoint area but laging nare-reject. So, there are really a lot of sellers at this area.
Ako, inaantay lang yan is kumerve up yung MA20.
Yun din. Pero
hanggat
yun,
nag-curve down yun, baka hindi siya
Delix pa
mag-serve as
eh.
support. So, kailangan sana mag-consolidate siya above that area hanggat sa kumurve pataas.
Yep. But for me, a safer entry might be this MA50 to the box bottom.
Or pag breakout na lang ulit nung yung
Itong
ginawang new high. Ayan, yung safest.
Ito.
Pinaka-safest yun. Pero
Oo.
yan,
So parang
pagka nag-break dyan, baka
yun yung options eh. Pwedeng buy near the breakouts here. But for me, better to just tranche near the box bottom. Or the other potential entry might be this 32.4 area. So dyan nagre-resist currently. So yan si AP. MWC, hindi ko pa na-discuss si MWC. MWC naman, MWC, ano ba ginagawa ni MWC? Coach Boy pa ba? Boy pa sa RSI 70 pero antay ka pa mag-break yung DB50. Let's see. So actually, if you look at it, since above RSI 70, currently nag-hold din yung EMA9 trail. So one potential option can be buying near the EMA9 to manage your risk. Buhay pa naman yung structure niya currently eh. Pero tama din yung nakita nyo. Maganda kung mabasag niya rin tong DB50. Pero mas maganda kung mag-close siya above it. Kasi similar to AP, very strong yung resistance din dito sa midpoint eh. 1, 2, 3. 3 times niya na tinest yung breakout pero laging kina-close below. So, ideal dito sa MWC is it sustains above the RSI 70 sana and the EMA9. Pero again, another potential scenario here might be, so that's one scenario, no? Mag-hold yung EMA9 trail, buy near EMA9. The other scenario is ibagsak niya up until the box bottom, tapos mag-catch up yung MA20. So that can be the other potential entry. Pwedeng buy near EMA9 or buy near the box bottom area. Pag breakout or momentum trader ka naman, pwedeng buy near the midpoint breakout, but end of day is ideal. Or buy near the box stop na lang na entries. Tapos, tignan natin to the left kung may mga potential resistances, no? So, yun. Very clear na kaya rin siya nauntog dyan is because ang kapal din ng sellers here. Itong area na to. Doon din nauntog. Next area of selling, may rin, no? Confluence. Yung mga kumpulan dito sa left side. So, be careful dito sa area na to. Assuming mag-breakout, no? Itong consolidation range na to. Nagsiswak siya medyo dito sa take profit zones. But currently, looking at it short term, ito yung mga catch area. Ideal box bottom, if not EMA9. As a momentum trader, pwede sa midpoint, pwede rin sa box top. And then take profit in the take profit areas. Plus, watch out for the parallel resistances to the left. So, mga 30 pesos saka somewhere near 32. Yun si MWC. Bilisan ko lang kasi medyo marami-raming requests. Let's look at GMA7 naman. GMA7, wag lang na ito. GMA7, it's an all-time high play, Pero ang hirap lang din kasi sa ginawa ni GMA7 was that if you look at it, so dito siya nag-resist near the DBTP1. Pero sayang kasi hindi niya sustain tong all-time high na area eh. Initially, it's supported here pero binasag. Now, it's trying to reverse and see kung mag-continue siya pataas ulit. Pero ikaw, Jimmie, paano basahin to? Ito kasi at least microbox kanina, nag-gap up, no? Tapos breakout.
Sa akin dyan kasi yung breakdown na yan with regards to the box.
Ito, no? Kasi parang initially kasi when it broke out from there, ito kasi yung box din na ginawa niya. So nagkaroon ng breakdown candle kasi here.
Mm-hmm.
Diba? Tapos at the same time, versus this box bottom, doon din siya nagre-resist currently.
Sina-challenge siya yung area na yun eh.
Oo. So parang gumagewang-gewang pa.
So, ang possibility niyan is mag-inverse head and shoulder siya dyan.
Pwede rin, pwede rin.
Kailangan ma-breakoutan niya yung box na finorm niya sa baba.
Pero easier talaga din dito is to just buy the all-time high breakout.
Oh.
Diba? Kasi ito, choppy pa tong area na to eh.
Oh, sideways pa rin kasi yan eh, kahit mag-inverse head and shoulder siya eh, di ba?
Yep.
Pakita mo na inverse head and shoulder, di ba? Bago siya mag-breakout.
Pwede,
Yun nakikita kong possible pattern.
Pwede dito buy near the box bottom kasi doon nagsusupport currently, near 14.4. And then easy cut pag nag-breakdown. Or just buy the breakout, either 16.18 or 16.7. And then let's see kung hanggang saan abutin niya. Jimmie 7. Si Emp na-discuss na namin eh, Ma'am Alvin. Pa-check na lang ng replay.
Si Aba. Ginagapang yung M820.
Let's look at Aba. Pero big sideways pa kasi si Aba eh. No? So, if you look at it here, no? So, it's a big sideways move. Ito yung big picture niya. But if you plot it week to week, body to body kasi it's a big range. For me, nauntog kasi siya sa midpoint. If you plot it body to body sa daily chart. No?
Yung breakout lang dyan inaantay siguro.
So, maybe a good entry might be a breakout from here. And then again, wait for end of day kasi daming untog dito. Pero even if it breaks out kasi, ingat-ingat tayo dito sa mga resistances to the left. Yun lang naman to. Pwedeng just buy the breakouts here. Kasi ang nipis na nito di ba? Easier to just buy the breakout. Kasi what if nag-resist? Sizable din eh. Looking at the breakout to the next TP, mga 10%, di ba? Tapos kung tumuloy, edi na lang yan. Bonus na lang yan. Bonus. Pero syempre, wag rin, don't be too greedy din sa mga ganito. Of course, maganda kung maabot niya yung box stop, mga 30% plus. Pero try to temper your expectations din. And be more objective in trading. So yun si Aba. Currently, sideways move, nauntog sa midpoint. Might do a breakout, but let's see. Yun yung inaantay natin for this. Apart from Aba, pa ba? Seb naman, ginawa ni Seb. Big sideways, no?
Sideways.
Pag sideways, mga walang kwenta yun, MA eh. Try nga natin i-plot yung big range. And dito yung midpoint niya eh. Hindi ko mabasa tong si Seb eh.
The big range is midpoint doon. So,
big range, yun nga. Naglalaro-laro pa siya here eh. Pero it's hard to say kasi kung magsusupport or magre-resist eh. Kasi nag-up down kasi sideways.
Pag tinignan mo naman, merong 3 series of boxes dito sa right. 3 box yun. So ngayon, ang goal niya is papunta midpoint. The bigger midpoint. Kita mo ba?
Actually, okay din naman ginagawa niya ang boxes pala. Kasi if you look at the box consolidations, puros type 1 to type 2 boxes. Yung tuloy-tuloy lang umakyat.
Then papunta sa midpoint nung bigger range.
So maganda kasi
sa bagay.
Tama naman yung tingin mo, no? Tuloy-tuloy packet ng boxes. Maybe maganda mabasag tong box na to. Kasi if you look at it to the left side, although potentially kasi mag-resist here, mga 48. Pero the bigger resistance area is here eh.
Bigger picture naman, nasa 54, di ba? 54, well, sabihin na natin 50. Kasi psychological. And so, nandun yung karamihan ng candles.
So pwedeng buy near support. Kasi maganda rin naman upside nito, no? Yun lang, it's a sideways move. So medyo choppy yung magiging galawan nito packet. So yun. Pwedeng buy near the breakouts here. 45.6 or buy near support 43.4.
Breakout of the small box, no?
Ako breakout of small box. Yan si Seb. Next naman is All HC. All HC na nabagalaw. Talagang tayo nakikita.
All HC.
Currently, it's ano, no? If you look at it kasi MA50 talaga trail niya. Based on this, oh. Support.
Ganda.
So, for me,
In a way.
it's a clean buy near MA50. And then just cut it kapag nag-close below MA50. But currently, that's what the trail is showing. Eh. So, especially kung nag-green candle bukas, that's a potential buy signal. But magandang catch zone to. Buy near the MA50 kasi pati kahit mag-sell ka sa breakdown, it's a small risk ko, mga 4%. And then, pag-check mo yung reward from this area, up until here, mga 6% to the box top, it's sizable. So, the thing about this lang is maganda siyang i-catch near the box bottom. 5 to 5.15 or 5 to 5.20 because of the proven trail nga na MA50. But you'll have to watch out for the midpoint sa box top. Yun lang, simple play lang. So if na-miss mo to, pwede naman mag-enter near the midpoint. Pero this is the safer entry for me. Midpoint. Ano naman? Ever, isa sa pinakamalaking gainers kanina. Eh. Pero mahirap to i-trade for me eh. Ano ba signals nito? Hindi rin siya nag-RSI 30. If you look at Ever,
Random lang ata yan na pinitik eh.
Di ba? Parang yun hindi mo masalo eh, no? Pwede near this area, di ba? Nag-support siya. Day 1 candle. Pero di mo masabi. Check natin weekly. Weekly wala rin eh. Oh.
Inverse head and shoulder yung pattern niya eh. Pagka tinignan mo sa
Zoom out?
Micro level.
Micro level. Medyo mahirap lang siyang itignan for me. Pero if you want to look at it, dito siya nag-support dito sa support area na to. No, tapos it's doing a move up.
Pwede mo i-draw yung box, Mike, yung ano, dun sa
yung
ilalim.
Yung box kasi nito, pwedeng ito eh. Ito yung box niya.
Yan. Pero yung
so, malapit
yung
nasa midpoint eh. Pero it's a small head and shoulders eh. Hindi siya inverse eh. Kaya
hindi,
medyo...
dun sa micro level, kung titingin ka dito sa...
Ito?
Yan.
Ito?
I-box mo yung long white candle na yan.
Ito hanggang dito?
Ayan. Oo. Breakout yan dun sa consolidation.
Ganito?
No. Ayan. Sige. Teka, hindi ko makita. Zoom out. Yan. Tapos yung previous consolidation, gawa ka ng box. Yung maliit lang Yan.
Okay.
Ayan na. So ngayon, parang, di ba, shoulder, yung baba, yung head, pwede siyang gumawa ng shoulder ulit dito since nag-breakout. Tapos mauntog siya dun sa left. Tapos re-retrace siya, gagawa siya ng bago shoulder. Pwede ganun.
Dito?
Oo.
Pwede naman. Pero ang hirap niya basahin, Jimmie, for me eh. Kasi if you look at it...
Sideways na rin kasi siya eh.
Sideways, pero if
malaking
you zoom out
sideways.
kasi mas clear for me yung head and shoulders eh. Diba?
Oo.
Ito yung mas clear na pattern for me eh. So, ang potential dito is you want to see the reaction at this level. No? Dito sa area na to, to the midpoint. Kaya although nakita ni Jimmie yung inverse head and shoulders, another scenario can be magkaroon ng untog dito. Kasi malaki na rin inakyat nito eh. Diba?
Since sideways yan, hindi mo mahuhulaan kung
30%
head and shoulder ba susundin niya o inverse head and shoulder.
At the same time, ang dami niyang resistances potentially sa consolidation. Kasi
from the
this might resist. Ano yan, Jimmie? This might resist.
From yung white candle, yung breakout nung small 'di ba yung puting candle na nasa ilalim. Para nag-breakout siya dun sa from the Hindi, wag mo iba-box. Yung 'di ba sa left nung white candle diyan sa baba, merong mga candles. Diba? So,
Ito?
parang isipin mo yung white candle, nag-breakout siya sa 0.3355 ba to? Levels, 0.3355.
Mga ganun.
Yan.
0.3345.
Tapos, kunin mo yung percent change hanggang dun sa white candle today. 13% na ka rin kasi yun.
Malaki eh. Kaya mahirap na
Malaki
rin
na
to
ka.
eh. 'Di ba? Yun yung sinasabi ko eh. Parang from
Yep.
the bottom kasi 30% na. So, for me, a bit mahirap maghabol forever. Especially since masasakit flux nito. So, isang buhos niyan, medyo malaki damage din to your port. So, better kasi to buy or position near tranche. Especially kung medyo sideways and choppy yung price movement. So, ako advice ko here is be careful if you plan to trade it. Especially since malayo na siya sa support area and malaki na yung galaw na pataas. So, just be careful. Potential entry niya siguro can be the midpoint breakout or breakout sa key levels na to. Pero, overall, it's a bit hard for me to take this trade kasi choppy within the box. Tsaka malaki na yung inangat. So, yun lang yung advice ko. Just be careful in this trade. Si ASEN naman, ASEN. Gano'n ito. Ano ba yung request? ASEN Green BSC, RLC, tsaka PXP. Okay. ASEN kasi naman, if you look at it, ano ba galaw nito currently? Ito kasi yung
Head and
consolidation niya
shoulder.
eh. Pero hindi siya clean head and shoulder eh, no? Pero kita naman, ito yung shoulder, ito yung head. Ito yung
Yun,
shoulder.
tumama, winik nga lang eh.
Dito, no? Itong shoulder na to. So, ito yung currently tinatry niyang i-challenge and i-overcome. Pwede naman to, kung swing trader kayo, buy near the box bottom and MA50. Sa momentum trader, pwedeng buy near 12.1 or dito na lang sa 12.9. Ano rin to eh, di ba? All-time high.
Oo. Pero bumagal eh.
Pero
Nag-expand na
bumagal.
yung box.
Bumagal kasi ang laki na rin ng range. So, normally kasi for big ranges, nilalaro yan ng mga swing traders eh. Making it more difficult for the stock to move upwards. So, medyo careful tayo dyan. But currently, yun nga, ingat na lang dito kasi it's a big range, prone to swing trading. But if you want, you can tranche near the box bottom and MA50. But be careful na lang dito sa 12 peso area kasi mukhang dyan yung resistance and selling pressure. Malaki na rin kasi yung galaw eh from the box bottom mo. 10% gain, sinong may ayaw niyan, di ba? So ako for me, safer to just tranche here or breakout here. Pero if breakout trade, better to wait for end of day. So yun. Let's move naman to green. Si green naman, alam ko downtrending pa to eh. Below MA100 oh. So downtrending. In terms of the move then, currently
Kapang.
mabagal eh, no? Pag tinignan mo yung
Bumapang.
candles, parang magbe-breakout tapos balik na naman. Mabagal yung mga candles niya. And then yun, sabi nga ni Jimmie, medyo gapang, no? But let's see. RSI-wise kasi, hindi, choppy pa rin eh. Ako, it's a bit difficult to take the trade kasi downtrend pa siya. Diba? Maybe easier to trade it kapag nag-breakout siya dito. Breakout from the box and MA100. Mas maluwag oh. Kita niyo yung difference dito sa price action. Mas mabilis yung, mas clean yung move here. Paakyat here. Versus itong within the box na may potential resistance ka here, may potential resistance ka here. Ito. So, it's hard to trade within consolidation ranges is what I can see. Easier to trade the scenario either sa box stop or yun nga, near supports. Pero mabagal eh, galaw. Pati yung mga movement ng candles. Then, let's see what else. Itong si BSC, parang
baka i-test niya yung MA100 parang sa akin.
Ako
Pwede.
untog talaga siya dito sa area na to, no? We were discussing this to start. Yung trigger talaga nito will be the breakout kasi here. Pero nauntog dito sa take profit area eh. Tapos may parallel consolidation kasi here. So, confluence of resistances na untog. At the same time, malaki na rin yung inakyat niya from the bottom. So, currently, it's resisting, trying to consolidate. What you want to see kasi is kung mag-hold. Hindi, it's looking for support pa eh. So, what you want to see is, yun nga, sabi ni Jimmie, MA100. Pero MA100, Jimmie, hindi pa siya pointing upward eh.
Malapit na yan, mag-side view.
So, currently, nagko-consolidate pa. What you want to see is where it will support. Possibly, pwede niya i-retest tong box resistance turn support, no? So, near 6.637 ba? Near this area.
66 ata yan, di ba? 66,
No.
65.
Sorry, 66 pala. Basta itong area na to, diba? From the box top based on the wick to the box top based on the body. So, mga 0.64 to 0.65. Let's see. So, catching near supports lang for BSC for me. Okay, last two. RLC naman, if we look at RLC, sideways move pa. Here to here. Yan. Ngayon natin body to body. So, sideways move pa to. Let's see kung ano yung magiging reaction nito sa area na to. Near 17. Pero yun, hirap i-trade kasi ng mga sideways move eh. Kasi if you look at it, ang daming choppy movements because ang daming resistances to the left side. So ako, I'd caution against trading these types of structures. Yan na lang. Pero if you really want to trade it, you can catch near the midpoint kung mag-support siya. So near 16.9 or catch the box bottom. Tapos i-range trade nyo lang siya. Either buy the box bottom, sell at the midpoint, or sell at the box top. Or buy the midpoint and then sell the box top. So just range trade it. Kasi na doon naman yung significant areas of price action, diba? So na dyan. Tapos yung support niya nandito. Yung resistances niya naman nandito. So kitang-kita kung saan nag-support and saan nag-resist yung stock. So yun si RLC, no? Just try to play the significant areas to see if they support and then just try to sell on the resistances. Last would be, may pahabol. So may MAC. So let's do those last two stocks. PXP, if you look at it, nauuntog siya, no? Dito sa MA100 saka RSI. At the same time, may box stop ka rin dyan. So maraming resistances near that area. Diba? Ito. Yan yung resistance niya. So, if you look at it, it's looking for supports ulit, no? Pwedeng again, safer to just buy this support area.
Breakout or sa breakout na lang.
Diba? Or just buy this breakout area. Again, careful lang sa breakout buy kasi very weak itong area nito. Safer to buy above 7.4. At the same time, if you'll take a look at the upsides kasi, kahit na bumalik ka dito sa 7.4 area, ano pa rin diba? 7% here or dito. Mga 14% to this resistance area. So, quite sizable. But the thing is, you don't know lang how long it will do a sideways move within this range. Also, kung mag-hold tong support na to. But currently, very clear yung support. Diba? Parang nakailang touch siya dyan and nag-hold talaga siya. So, that indicates na may sellers talaga dito sa 6 peso area. Ako dito safest for me to catch 6. And then if breakout, then just buy the near 7 to 7.4 breakout. So yun, and then resistance areas, watch out na lang dito sa levels na to, no? Wherein maraming selling pressure. Last stock would be si MAC. May pang isang pahabol 80. So sideways din. Kaya mahirap i-trade tong mga to kasi they're moving on a sideways move. Tapos malalaki din yung range. So pag malaki kasi yung range, tendency ng mga traders is they can buy the swing low and then sell the swing high. So currently looking at this, no, nagsusupport pa naman yung midpoint. So what you can do is try to catch the midpoint area, yung mga retest niya here. But you should also know that pag nabasag siya, you need to cut it. At the same time, if you buy the swing low, kahit i-trade mo lang tong microbox na to, it's still a 10% gain eh. But yun nga, pag nag-invalidate siya, you have to know when to cut. Pero the thing about this din kasi is if you look at the RSI here based on the short term, medyo nagdo-divergence siya. Hindi pala divergence, convergence pala kasi lower high yung price, lower high din yung RSI. So, ingat-ingat na lang. But just looking at the structure, pwedeng buy near the midpoint kasi yun yung for me significant price action area. Diba? So, try to catch it near 5 pesos. Tapos pag na-invalidate yung 5 pesos, edi it's an easy cut. Tapos sizable naman yung rewarded. So 10% range trade lang. Last would be C80. May keyboard warrior daw, Jimmie.
Pasensya na. Tinatype
Last
ko kasi
would be
nire-record ko kung ano yung mga na-discuss.
Pero ni-record kasi namin para next week, share namin yung mga nag-manifest na ideas. No? So last would be C80. So pag tingnan mo si 80, it's a big sideways move din. Pero medyo kasi yung structure niya is head and shoulders pattern. No? Normally kasi pag nag-manifest tong head and shoulders pattern, it's a move downward. Pero syempre, the only time naman na magmamanifest yan would be pag na-break yung neckline na to. Currently, nagsasupport siya eh. But overall, normally it's a bearish pattern. Na-invalidate usually yung bearish pattern na yan pag na-break out itong shoulder area. So either ma-break yung shoulder and it tries to do a move upward to test this high, or ma-break yung neck. So pag na-break tong neck na to, if you look to the left, wala masyadong stable consolidations. The next consolidation might be here. So medyo malalim-lalim pag nagka-breakdown. But hindi siya nananakot, but currently naman this level is supporting. So as long as it supports, pwede kayong mag-entry here as a safer area. Pero try nyo lang din i-swing, diba? Kasi very clear yung price action levels na there are buyers here and then there are sellers here. So big range din pala, 30%. Pero liquidity yata challenging here diba? Kamusta ba liquidity neto, Jimmie?
Tingnan na.
Mga 3 million. Tama ba? Or less?
Today, alam ko umabot naman yan ng million.
So pwede naman.
3 million.
But overall the structure looks like a head and shoulders. So yun na lang. Medyo mahirap lang i-buy tong area na to kasi in between this consolidation range. Diba? But ayun, ako easier for me to buy this support or yung resistance na shoulder breakout. So yun. Medyo nag-extend tayo. Normally, we try to keep it in an hour. But hopefully, may natutunan kayo. Yun lang, yung advice ko lang siguro is for this week. Try to be more patient kasi yun nga, reviewing the PSEI din kasi. Currently, it's trying to look for supports. So, you want to see kung umabot pa ba siya dito sa retest of 7,000 levels before it tries to break the 7,300 ulit. No? Para magkaroon ng konting pahinga and ipon ng lakas before testing the breakout. So, given na ganito yung moves, baka best to wait for potential swing entries sa mga stocks or buy on support area habang hindi pa nababasag tong level na to. So, yun. Best of luck sa mga trades in the coming week. Ikaw, Jimmie, may last words ka pa ba?
Wala naman. Pasensya na kung maingay yung keyboard. Nasira yung nagloloko yung sa PC ko eh. So, ibang mic yung gamit ko. Naka-laptop lang ako. So, rinig na rinig pag nagtatype ako.
So, thanks for watching.
Hindi ako mapasok na StreamYard eh. Saka PC eh.
Okay lang.
See you next week. Thank you
see
very
you next
much.
Week. 9 o'clock ulit. Every Monday. Hindi lang kami for you. So, thanks guys. Good luck and bye-bye.